My morning routine. Hi, my name is Jessica. Today I will tell you about my daily life. I speak slowly and clearly in English. I use simple words for learning. This is perfect for repeating. Are you ready? Getting up. I wake up every morning at 7 o'clock. I slowly open my eyes and breathe in and out. Outside, it is still dark. Sometimes I am still very tired and want to stay in bed. But I am happy because a new day is starting. In the bathroom. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. The bathroom is the place for morning body care. I walk slowly because I am still a little tired. In the bathroom, I first turn on the light. The light is bright and helps me wake up. I stand in front of the sink. A sink is where you wash yourself. First, I brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste for that. I hold the toothbrush in my hand. The toothpaste smells fresh. I brush carefully, top to bottom and left to right. Then I rinse my mouth with water. The water is cold and wakes me up. Next, I wash my face. I cup water in my hands and splash my face. It feels fresh. After that, I dry my face with a towel. A towel is a cloth for drying. I look in the mirror. The mirror shows my face. I still look a bit tired, but that is okay. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning. To shower means I wash my body with water. During the shower, I use shower gel. Afterward, I feel clean and fresh. I breathe in and out calmly. In the bathroom, I slowly start the day. When I am done, I turn off the light and leave. At the closet. After I finish in the bathroom, I go back to my room. Now I get dressed. To get dressed means to put clothes on the body. First, I open my closet. The closet is where my clothes are. I look inside and think what I want to wear today. That often depends on the weather. If it is cold, I wear warm clothes. If it is hot, I wear lighter things. First, I put on underwear. Then I put on my pants. I usually wear jeans because they are comfortable. Comfortable means the clothes feel good. Next, I put on a t-shirt or a top. A top is a piece of clothing for the upper body. If it is cold, I also put on a sweater. A sweater keeps me warm. Sometimes I wear a jacket too. After that, I put on socks. I wear socks on my feet. Now I am almost fully dressed. I look quickly in the mirror. I check if everything fits well. Fit well means the clothes sit right. If all is okay, I feel ready for the day. Getting dressed is a quiet moment for me in the morning. Now my day can continue. In the kitchen. After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen. Now I make breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal in the morning. First, I turn on the light and open the fridge. The fridge keeps food cold. I look at what I have at home. I usually eat something simple. I take bread or toast from the cabinet. Then I get butter or jam from the fridge. Sometimes I also take eggs. I put everything on the table. The table is the place where I eat. After that, I prepare a drink. I often drink tea or coffee. I boil water and pour it into a mug. A mug is a small cup for hot drinks. While breakfast is ready, I sit down. Now I eat my breakfast. I eat slowly and calmly. Eating breakfast gives the body energy for the day. Sometimes I eat bread with butter, sometimes fruit or yogurt. I drink my tea or coffee and I feel more awake. While I eat, I think about the day or look out the window. I use my phone only rarely. Breakfast is a quiet time for me. When I am done, I clean the table. Cleaning means putting everything back in its place. Now I am full and ready for the next part of my day. Going to the language school. After I eat breakfast, I get ready to leave home. Now I walk to the language school to learn English. A language school is a place where you study a language. First, I take my bag. In the bag are my important things. I check if I have my phone, my keys, and my notebook. A notebook is a book for writing. Then I put on my shoes and leave the house. Outside, I breathe in fresh air for a moment. It feels good. I go to the bus stop or to the subway. Sometimes I also walk the whole way. Walking means going without a bus or a car. Other people often wait at the stop. Many are going to work or to school. When the bus or train comes, I get on. To get on means to go inside. I look for a seat or I stand. During the ride, I look out the window. I see houses, streets, and people. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I think about the day. The ride does not take very long. When I arrive, I get off. To get off means to go outside again. I walk a short distance more. Then I reach the language school. Now my English class begins. Riding my bike. After my English class, I have free time and get on my bike. Riding a bike is my hobby. I sit on the seat, hold the handlebars, and start moving. First, I ride down my street. I ride slowly and carefully. Then I pass by houses. Some houses are old, some are new. I see people who walk or shop. Some people sit in cafes and drink something. As I ride on, it becomes quieter. I hear fewer cars and more nature. I pass trees and see a lot of green. The air feels fresh. A light wind touches my face. I like that very much. I ride further and reach a park. In the park, I see families, children, and dogs. Some people sit on benches. Others lie on the grass. I ride on a small path through the park. I do not ride fast. I have time and no stress. Sometimes I stop for a moment. I get off the bike and look around. I see the sky, the trees, and the people around me. Then I get back on and ride on. My thoughts become calm. I do not think much. I enjoy the moment. After a while, I slowly ride back. My legs are tired, but I feel good. The bike tour is good for me. I arrive home relaxed and happy. In the kitchen, cooking dinner. In the evening, I am in the kitchen and cook dinner. First, I wash my hands. Then I open the fridge. I take out some vegetables. I place the vegetables on the table. Now I pick up a knife. I cut the vegetables into small pieces. I work slowly and carefully. After that, I take a pan. I put the pan on the stove. I turn the stove on. I pour some oil into the pan. Then I put the chopped vegetables into the pan. I hear a quiet sound. The food begins to cook. I take a spoon and stir the vegetables. I stir slowly. I stay standing in the kitchen. I look at the food. I wait a moment. Then I add salt. I smell the food. It smells good. While the food cooks, I set a plate on the table. I also place a glass there. I will drink water later. I stir the food once more. Now the food is ready. I turn the stove off. I lift the pan from the stove. I put the food on the plate. I sit down at the table. Now I eat my dinner. I eat slowly. I feel calm and happy. In the evening. After dinner, I start my evening routine. First, I clear the table. Then I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I turn on the light. I look quickly in the mirror. After that, I brush my teeth. I brush slowly and carefully. Then I rinse my mouth with water. Afterward, I wash my face. The water is warm and pleasant. I dry my face with a towel. Now I feel clean and fresh. Then I walk back to my room. I take off my clothes. Then I put on my pajamas. My pajamas are soft and cozy. I put my clothes away. I fold them neatly. Then I turn off the big light and switch on a small lamp. The light is now warm and calm. I open the window for a moment and let in fresh air. Then I close the window again. I sit down on my bed. I take my book and read a few pages. I read slowly and quietly. After reading, I put the book away. I breathe in and out deeply. I think briefly about my day. Then I lie down in bed. I pull the blanket over me. I turn off the lamp. Now it is quiet and dark. I close my eyes. I am tired. Now I fall asleep.